Wow, it does zoom quite well, doesn't it? 4K zoom. You do need a tripod though. Very slow today. There isn't a lot of plane. Oh, there's planes coming in to land. Oh, let's see if we can find it. Whoops. It's somewhere. There it is. Can you see it, guys? Should we zoom into it? Let's see. You do need a tripod, 100%. The old DLR. I could do with a big screen here because it's very bright here. Where it's bright, I can't really see the screen that well. So I think you can attach an external screen somewhere. Yes, I think you can. Oh, it's got a shoe thing. You can stick one on there, can't you? Really? That's awesome. It's a big screen. Anybody ready to go? Is that plane ready to go? That British Airways? She's winding up, there she is. She's ready to go. You do need a tripod, stops all this. She's got a gimbal on there, but you still need a tripod to stick this camera on. And you need a bigger screen really, especially if it's a bright day like today. There's two planes ready to go. One's the British Airways and one's the KLM. That KLM, this one, I can hear her engines revving up. So I think British Airways is going to go first. Maybe not. Whoops. So this is why you need the tripod. If I take my eyes off the screen, Polish Airline. Wow, I haven't seen one of them here. Whoa. Airlocked. I haven't seen one of these on here. Yorkie Lucy's, where is Yorkie Lucy? Lucy, are you standing beside me? Look, bless her heart, she's all waiting there for me. Yeah, we've had triathlon here today, and they've finished, so they're packing up, putting everything, the cones away, and they've closed the roads today. And I don't know what that aircraft is here. Where's that from, guys? Suns keep coming in and out. Yeah, let's just go. Ooh. See, I took my eyes off the. There she is. Got another plane coming in. No, nothing's coming in the distance. I can't see anything. I've got a single tripod and I've got a triple tripod, but the triple tripod's quite heavy. It's one of those old-fashioned ones you get in the building site. But I've got a single tripod, single stick. Might be okay. It's just, this camera's quite heavy. Wonder how it's doing in the wind. There's quite a bit of a breeze here. Are you getting impatient, Lucy? We're just to watch this takeoff and then we'll make our way. Oops. Once I take my eyes off the screen. Hang on, sweetheart. Yes, we're going. She's moaning. Ready, steady, let's go. Whoa, hang on. She's almost there. Oh, she's winding up. There she goes. So's Lucy. You get excited, Lucy. Here she goes. Whoa, that's it. Well done, Lucy. Well done hanging on. Okay, we're going. Yeah, guys, gotta go, you know why. Catch you later, guys.